Application. Universal fit for major forklift brands, Toyota, Crown, Mitsubishi, Clark, Genie, Nissan, Komatsu, Caterpillar and many more. Durable ABS housing and full range adjustability. Easy to install with a ball stud included. Easy to look into and see 150 degrees behind you. You can see just about everything behind your left and right-hand shoulders. This mirror pivots up and down with a very high-end friction hinge rated for 1 million adjustments. Set it to the desired position and you are done. Be safe and always know what's behind you. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Installed these on my John Deere 1025R tractor. Perfect for a visual check before backing up. Inexpensive compared to other brands but seems sturdy enough for the purpose I use them for.